Okay, this is the Data Pro by GT Pro Performance Products. It's a product that is used to data log all the Mercedes-Benz vehicles, anything from a E55 to E63, C63, so on and so forth. Anything with a 55 or 63 motor. Now, the reason that you want to use this is you want to go ahead and be able to monitor and extract any data from your car. You can see how your car is running. You can take a look at how the tune is. So if if you're thinking about getting a tune and you want to make sure that you're getting your money's worth by being able to monitor the data, you're going to be able to find out, whether the ignition timing has been changed, whether the fueling has been changed, if any of the other parameters have been changed, and how have they been changed, how aggressive is the car tuned, so on and so forth. It also is going to allow you to download this information onto a USB stick. From that USB stick, you can do one of two things. You can either replay it on the screen in real time, or you can just pull the stick out, take the USB stick out, and just go ahead and upload it to your machine at home. But at any rate, this is the testing vehicle. It's a C63, and as you can tell, we're actually running. You can kind of see some of the needles moving here. At any rate, the unit allows you to do quite a few different things. For instance, if I wanted to change this to more of a numerical type of setup, I can go in here and actually change the layout. I can change the layout from a traditional to a more numeric value, or if I wanted to do it more of a kind of like a data log type situation, you can do that as well. So as you can see here, few different options in terms of the way you want to view your data. Now, let's go back to this view. Now, from this point, let's say, for instance, if you wanted your air-fuel ratio right here, okay, you can read it in AFR numbers. As you can see, you can get all your different AFR numbers just like that. Now, if you wanted to change this to, say, something else, say you wanted to change it from AF to, say, lambda, you're more comfortable reading it in lambda, you can go ahead and read it in lambda. It's not a problem. Personally, I don't like lambda, so I'm going to go back to AFR. Now, over here, you can see ignition timing. Right now, we're sitting, anywhere between 14-15 degrees, so on and so forth. Now, if I wanted to change that to, say, manifold pressure, say if we're in E55, wanted to see what kind of booster running, so on and so forth, you can do so. So basically, any of these 5 gauges here can be reconfigured to display different types of data. All you have to do is just go in and select what you want, and just kind of go from there. It's kind of a neat situation. You can also monitor G-forces, you can monitor gear positioning, dynamic torque values, so on and so forth. So it's actually a very, very good tool, especially if if you've got a tuned vehicle. If you've got one of the AMG 63s or 55, this thing's going to prove to be invaluable. At any rate, for more information, visit our website at www.gtpro.com or www.mastermindna.com, and you'll find this to be very useful, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.